Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 8 and that we already done from this exercise 5 questions. We'll start with question number 9. In a quiz competition, 10 points are awarded for every correct answer and 5 points are deducted for every wrong answer. No points are deducted for not attempting a question. There are 3 contestant teams, that is St. Joseph School, Indian Public School and Government Girls School. So we have to see that the team from St. Joseph School scored 125 points, though they answered 115 questions correctly. How many questions were not answered correctly by the team? So here we have seen that correct answers are 15. The score is 125. So we'll see points from the correct answers. That is, for 15 are correct. So what are the points given here? 10 points are awarded for every correct answer. So we can say 10 points for correct answer. So we'll multiply this by 10. So that is going to be 150. So we'll see there is 150 minus this score is 125. So that will be 25 points are deducted. Then each wrong answer, that is the 5 points is the deduction. So wrong answers are, this will be 25. So 25 divided by 5, that is going to be 5. So therefore we can say questions not answered correctly is 5. The team from Indian Public School gave 10 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is their score? Correct answers is 10. So we have for 1, we have 10. So as we have seen here, 10 points are awarded for every correct answer. So that is going to be 100. And incorrect answers is 5. So 5 into 5 points are for the incorrect ones. So that is going to be 25. So this is what is the score. So final score is going to be 100 minus this 25. That is going to be 75. The team from Government Girls School scored 150 points, though they gave 18 correct answers. How many incorrect answers had they given? Which team won the competition? So correct answers is 18. So for 1, we have 10 points for correct one. That is going to be 180. So final score is given as 150. So deducted points is 180 minus 150, that is going to be 30. So incorrect answers is going to be, this will be the incorrect one. The incorrect will be 30 divided by 5, because we have 5 points for the incorrect one. So that is going to be, incorrect answers is going to be 6. So therefore we can say Government Girls School won the competition. So we can see here, this is final score is 75. Here is 125. And here is 150. So we can say Government Girls School won the competition. The temperature of a place at 6 p.m. is 12 degrees centigrade above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour till 6 a.m. the next day, at what time will the temperature be 2 degrees centigrade below zero? So this was 12 degrees centigrade above zero. This is 2 degrees centigrade below zero. What will be the temperature at 6 a.m.? So temperature at 6 p.m. that is given as 12 degrees centigrade. So temperature decreases by 2 degrees centigrade in 1 hour at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour. So from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. that is 12 hours. So temperature 12 degrees centigrade above zero minus 12 temperature 2 degrees centigrade below zero. So that is going to be 12 degrees centigrade above zero is 12 minus of this one below zero means that is going to be minus 2. So when you add this one, so 12 plus 2, that is going to be 14 degrees centigrade. Hope this is clear to you. Now time taken to decrease, that is the decrease in temperature divided by rate of decrease. So we got here decrease in temperature, we got 14, and the rate of decrease, that is here 2. Because temperature decreases by 2 is given, so that is going to be 7 hours. So temperature 7 hours after 6 p.m. because 6 p.m. is given here. The temperature of a place is this one. So 7 hours after that is going to be 6 plus 7, that is going to be 13. So 13 means that is going to be 1. This is p.m. so that is going to be a.m. So total hours from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. that is 12 hours. So decrease in temperature, that is rate of decrease into number of hours. So what was the rate of decrease was 2 into number of hours, this is 12. So that is 24 degrees centigrade. So we can say temperature at 6 a.m. is equal to temperature of 6 p.m. minus decrease in temperature. So that will be 12 minus this 24 degree. So minus 24 plus 12, that is going to be minus 12 degree centigrade. Suppose the sunset occurs at 7:15 p.m. on July 15 in Delhi, and the setting time of the sun decreases by 30 seconds every day. At what time will the sun set on August 4 in Delhi? So sunset on July 15. So that is 7:15 p.m. From July 15 to July 31. So there are how many days? So that is 16 days. So total will be 16 days plus this one we want for on July 4. So this 4 days. So that is going to be 20 days. So decreasing, how much it is decreasing? By 30 seconds per day. So these are 20 days. So 13 seconds into 20. So that is going to be 600 seconds. It is going to decrease by 600 seconds, and 600 seconds is 10 minutes because this you can 1 minute is, so we can say 60 seconds, or we can say 60 seconds is 1 minute. So 600 seconds will be how much? So you will cross multiply. So 600 divided by this 60. So this will be 10 minutes. So we can say therefore 7:15 p.m. minus 10 minutes, this one, because they said it occurs at 7:15, the sunset occurs at this one. So it is going to be, we are going to subtract from this one minus 10. So that is going to be 7:05 p.m. So we can say therefore the sun will set at 7 p.m. 7 point, that is 05. So 7:05 p.m. on August 4 in Delhi. In an ice factory, ice is freezed at minus 10 degrees centigrade in a room. If the room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, which can be lowered by 5 degrees centigrade every hour, find the total time required to freeze the ice. So total temperature drop, that is 25 degrees centigrade minus of this will be minus 10. So minus minus becomes plus. So this is going to be 25 degree plus 10 degree. That is going to be 35 degrees centigrade. Time required is, it's given 5 degrees centigrade, that is every hour. That is for 1 hour. So 35 degrees centigrade, it is going to be, we are going to cross multiply. So that is going to be 35 by 5. So that is going to be 7 hours. So we can say therefore 7 hours are required to freeze the ice. In a mathematics quiz, the total number of questions are 25. According to the marking scheme, 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 1 marks for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Varun attempts all questions but only 18 of his answers are correct. What is his total score in the quiz? So total questions is given as, this is 25. So correct answers out of that is 18. So incorrect answers is going to be 25 minus 18, that is going to be 7. So what is his total score? We have, so marks of correct answers first we have to see. That is, correct answers are 18 and that is given, 3 marks are given for every correct answer. So 18 into 3, that is going to be 54 marks. And marks of incorrect answer, how many are incorrect? That is 7. And it's given minus 1 is deducted for every incorrect answer. So multiply by minus 1. So that is going to be minus 7. So total score is going to be 54 minus 7, that is going to be 47. So we can say Varun's total score is 47. Anmol gets 20 correct and 3 incorrect answers out of 23 questions he attempts. What is his score in the quiz? So marks of correct answers that is given, that is 20 correct answers, and we know that is one that is given as 3. 3 marks are given for correct answer. So we can say here 20 into 3, that is going to be 60 marks, and marks of incorrect answers, that is incorrect are 3. So -1 point is given for that, so that will be -3 marks. So total score is going to be 60 minus 3, so that is going to be 57. So we can say Anmol's total score is 57. Now see how to solve this question here. It's given 18 divided by 2 of -3. So this will be as it is. Of means multiplication, and this is going to be -6. So this will be 18 will be as it is. So this we have to multiply. So this will be -6. So 18 divided by -6. So this minus will keep as it is. That is going to be 3. Again for your, this is the question. This will keep as it is. This will be multiplication. So -24 divided by this is going to be 12. So this minus will be as it is. 24 divided by 12 is going to be 2. Now here the brackets are given. So let us take this bracket first. So this will be 5. This as it is. This is going to be -5. So this 5 as it is, minus is going to be plus. So this is going to be 10. Here will be 13 plus -5 plus 2 of -6. So of means multiplication. This as it is. This is going to be multiplied. So this minus sign means -12. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 12. So -12 plus 8. That is going to be -4. 121 divided by 11 minus. So 11 11s are 121. So -11. And this is going to be -2. So now this will be as it is. Plus minus will be -2. -11 minus 2 is going to be -13. So here 4 minus, this is 2 plus 4. This multiplication will keep as it is, this all as it is. Now we are going to solve this part for first part, because this is a bar here. So this should be 3 minus 5 is going to be -2. This should be solved first. So other things will be as it is. So this all as it is. So multiplication first here. So here will be -12. Minus as it is. Minus minus becomes plus, and this will be 2 plus 2. So this as it is. So yours will be minus, and this is going to be plus 4. So this as it is. So 2 minus 12 will minus 10. Minus 10 minus 4 is going to be -14. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 4 plus 14, that is going to be 18. Now this as it is. Now let us see this bracket first. From this one, we have to solve this first. Rest all things are going to be the same. So this will be 4 minus 2 is going to be 4 minus 6 is going to be -2. Rest all the same. So now let us solve this bracket, the round bracket first. So this will be minus becomes plus. So 3 plus 2. Rest all the same. Now what will you do? We are going to solve this bracket. So that is going to be 8. This is going to be, again, this is round is not completed. So this will be 5. Rest all things are going to be the same. Now all the things will be same here. This curly bracket first. So this will be -3. Now this square bracket. So this will be 6. So this will be 4. Now here the same. This all the same. First we'll solve this part because there is a bar here. So that will be -4 plus 3, that is going to be -1. Now all the things the same. Minus becomes plus. So now again this round bracket is there. The rest all will going to be the same. So it is going to be -10. Same. -10 plus 6, that is going to be -4. Minus becomes plus. So 10 plus 4, that is going to be 14. So there will be -14 plus 7, that will be -7. So this is the final answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Thank you.